Assalamualaikum friends, here is a hardcover horizontal book mockup. Okay, this file have a many files, don't worry. Here is 1.93 GB. Okay, but don't worry, I will compress it. Here is Sheri SK offer and last day of my sale. Hurry up, 60% off password app now in $1.99. Okay, and basically this officially price is $5 for lifetime. Here is my Sheri SK Facebook page and last is Telegram channel Sheri SK official. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, now open this one. Okay, you see here in layer area, here is view 1, view 2, view 3, 4, 5, and here is a 6, 7, last is 8. Okay, that's mean here is 8 views, and here is a background color. You can change background color. Okay, here is a book 1, book 2. Okay, you can edit one by one. I know you can adjust any poster or photo. Just import photo and right click on create clipping mask, press S for saving. Here is double click, import your anything, press Ctrl S, or depend your own choice. I hope these files are useful for you, and here is last day of offer. Take care, love is.